G'day! For the last 10 years, I've been using this to cut my hair, but it cuts hair by tearing it out. The clippers don't actually run. They just vibrate in place and shredding my scalp through it. So, we have this instead. I picked it up from TJ Maxx. It was on sale at $17. Usually, they claim to be at $27. It is the Wahl Home Products Complete Haircutting Kit. A 17-piece kit with accessories included. Easy to use, great value, blah blah. And what do we have on the back? From this, we have 10 guides. I usually ignore everything that isn't a 2 or a 1. I don't even use the 1. It's just either a 2 or a bear. We also have scissors, a styling comb, a blade guard, blade brush, and oil. Plus little clippers themselves. Let's crack it open. The big brand of Wahl, or Wahl, or however you pronounce it. I'm pronouncing it Wahl today. Seems to be a pretty sturdy box. Let's see inside. We have a home haircutting guide, which is on a big piece of paper, folded in. Right, the instructions. Some kits do not include e-taper guards. I never actually remember they actually are for ears. I just ignore those as well. What's this? Instruction, warning instructions. Safeguards. I guess so long as you don't work in water, you should be okay. There are the guides. Here's a clamp. I don't know what this packing is for. For the blunt it in transit. Some Wahl branded scissors. A little bit off color. Let's see what guides we have. This is an unnecessary plastic tray. Yeah, we have ABS plastic, made in China. This was the number 3, I believe. We got, let's see, we got 4, 5, 8. We have a number 1. Let's see, let's line them up again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those. Oh, we also have a righty, a lefty, and if I was Daniel Boone, a frontier. We have a decent sized comb and a lubrication kit to brush the oil. And then I actually see the clippers. Nice. Nice. Feels pretty solid. So 1 button operation. On off. Already have the blade guard on this. Take it off. Oh, it's a bit oily already. You can see the residue. Already lubricated. So let's clear this out. To the side. We have the taper lever here so that you can adjust the length of your cut to go right against the scalp. Or just a little bit of ease up. Weighed these and they're about just under 13, around about 13 ounces. So not too heavy. See how this measures up. Tip to tip, we have about just around 6.5 inches. And this one is about 2 inches wide. This is a good fit. Though I'm going to use this backhand or from behind the head without actually seeing how I'm holding it. So what's the comb? It's a 7-inch comb. All right, I've got this plugged in. Let's see how it sounds. It's pretty loud. Again, that's just one button, on or off. Let's see if it changes frequency. That buzzing you can hear as the top blade actually moving. The other set I used to use, it did not actually move, so it just buzzed, and that was it. Here's some hair I set aside from an earlier cut, and we're gonna see how it trims. So now I have hair everywhere all over this table, which is why I didn't use a tablecloth in the first place. This is just going to be easy to clean off, just wipe it down. But it seems to cut out pretty clean. Pretty smooth, let's see. Let's do it again. Looks like it has a neat groove for the thumb here. Even though I don't actually hold it that far back, I like to hold it closer. Let's see how this guards work. Actually pretty snug on the sides before you even put them on. All right. Let's try the other one. Again, the sides are pretty snug. Just slide them in. Don't forget to oil it up before we go. See here, it's just called blade oil from China. You're gonna cut the tip and then be careful when you put it back, because I found every time I put it back into the container, it leaks all over. So I have to put an extra baggie around this to make sure this and the rest of the contraptions is not gonna be covered in oil. See you next time on New Girl.